Excellent. Okay, we're live, guys. Good morning to US. Good afternoon in Western Europe. It's close to 5 p.m. here in Greece. So welcome, everyone, in our live session today. I have a very important and special guest that you have, all of you, that following me on social media and on Facebook, to ask your questions directly. But firstly, allow me for a couple of minutes, guys, to wrap it up what we have done the past days and a couple last weeks with Spectre, with the blockchain technology, and what we have brought in this industry, the first in the world platform, brokerless platform globally. So if you have followed my previous videos, you can easily scroll down in my wall. This live is in my wall. So if you're watching it right now on Twitter, on LinkedIn, or on any other social media, make sure you click on the video or on the hyperlink so you can be redirected to Facebook and make there your comments. Otherwise, me and my guest could not give you the answers because we cannot see your questions. So for all of you that have already opened your Spectre account, before we go in detail what's happening with Spectre and the vision of this company with my special guest, let me give you a short notice. As you received in my last couple newsletters, I saw in my Spectre dashboard more than close to 100 people of you have opened a Spectre demo account, but your job is not done yet, guys. In order for you to receive the promo, as you've heard, not only from me, but from Spectre team, for the first, that was a week ago, for the first couple hundred users that will do the KYC process. If you don't know what KYC is, means know your customer. If you click on the link in the description, there is a link there, put your email, and you'll receive all this information how to do that in 5 minutes. So all of you that haven't done the KYC yet, you are not, I repeat, you are not eligible for this promo. You need to have a live trading account with Spectre and in our affiliate group. So make sure you do that. Again, because most of you are not living in English-speaking countries like Greece, Cyprus, Bulgaria, or Russia, that means your documentation, maybe your ID, is in non-Latin, non-English characters. Make sure, as I've said in my newsletter, to send your KYC documents to the Spectre support email. And within 24 hours on working days, you'll get a reply. So for all of you that have done the KYC, and have not yet received the promo, no worries, we got you covered. You will probably have already received the reply from Spectre. If not, allow 24 hours, guys. But please let me know in the comments below. And please, in English, I know there are lots of Greeks hearing us right now or in the hours that will follow on the replay. Make sure, please, that you write your questions, your comments in English, so my special guest can also read your comments and reply to you directly. Hi, Elena. Hi, Sasha. You cannot hear us. Okay, let me check, please, the audio. My special guest can also... Okay, audio plays. Please, a comment below that you can hear us, you can watch us. Okay, you're watching us. Okay, it's only one comment, but I believe, Athol, we're good to go. Okay. All that said, let me introduce my special guest right now today. We have a special person directly from Spectre team that, although it's close to midnight there in Australia, on the other side of the world, thank you very much, Athol, for having this time for us, although it's a bit late for you now. So a little word about Athol, in case you don't know him. Athol Nourse, and sorry if I pronounce your last name incorrectly.
No, that's absolutely fine, Matt. Well,
you know my last name, so I have a history of non-correct pronunciation. Okay, so I can fully sympathize. So Athol is a special person working with Spectre since the beginning on the development, on the affiliate side, on the management side, and he's actually the director of business development of Spectre. So we're very lucky, and all of you are lucky to have him live today. So if you have any questions, this is your place to make them, so you can answer them live right now. A little bit for his background. Athol, he is both a Forex and CDF expert, also in the cryptocurrency, in the blockchain industry as well. And for the past 14 years, he has worked in key senior management positions in finance, in largest online brokers, and also co-owned an MT5 broker. So if you are familiar with Forex, you know what I'm saying about MT5, all these platforms and technology. And now he's supporting us on the expansion of this company, Spectre, the only company globally brokerless platform that anyone that either is a crypto enthusiast or an amateur, like I consider myself to be, can easily trade and make money live on his free time. Personally, I don't invest more than, let's say, maximum an hour per day to make a couple trades. If you have seen our Spectre videos, even a 10-year-old child can easily watch them for 5 minutes, make a trade, and make money. Of course, before passing the mic to Athol, a disclaimer: this is trading. So as we say in all the trading platforms and in our affiliate videos, always invest the money that you can afford to lose. So, Athol, the mic is yours. I would appreciate to hear from your position, from your point of view, what Spectre is, what your personal vision is for this company, and how Spectre is revolutionized all this industry big time.
Yeah, thanks, Bill, and thanks for having me on the live session with yourself. It's really good to be on. So for the people that don't know, I know you've briefed them, a bit about Spectre, Bill, but just in a nutshell, last year we completed our ICO. We raised about just under $17 million US, and the owners of the company, they come from a educational background. They were providing Forex education, binary education for a very long time into that sector. And, with regards to myself, I came from a margin FX CFD background. I've been involved in the space for 10 years. So I kind of seen things from a broker's perspective, and the owners, they seen things from, working with clients within the binary options and the FX space. And over the years, we've seen a lot of, they've seen a lot of problems with the brokers. And obviously with myself as well, being on the inside, I've seen exactly, the problems with these brokers, how they think, how they treat clients, etc. And obviously there's a lot of problems which exist with brokers at the moment. So, the real vision for Spectre, and that's sort of how we came together and why I joined up with Spectre, about a year and a half, 2 years ago is when I sort of started immersing myself fully into the blockchain and into the crypto space. And the more I got into it, the more it just sucked me into the whole ecosystem. But the true vision for Spectre, Bill, is, we really looking to eliminate broker fraud in its entirety, and really bring it down to zero, because there's a lot of problems which traders have been experiencing with broker fraud for a very long time. And on top of that, we also want to empower the traders and really create a level playing field for the traders at large, and to create a trustless trading environment. So, that's kind of our long-term vision for the actual company itself.
Excellent.
Sorry, I was going to just touch a bit on the current issues, etc. But did you have any other question on that you want to ask?
Well, personally, I fully understand what you're saying. Of course, I don't have even 1/10 of your experience in the industry, but I felt that pain on the broker side while I was doing on myself, binary options, also some Forex. The biggest pain I experienced was when it comes to withdrawals or how to handle your money on the broker side. And all the people that have made at least one option on either binary options or Forex knows that the broker makes money big time when you lose a trade, and this is not happening here. So I was very enthusiastic when I heard about Spectre, about this opportunity, and how safe can anyone around the world can use this platform in a couple of minutes. Guys, while I'm speaking with my special guest, Athol, feel free to make some comments below, some questions you may have, either if you're an experienced trader or you have just started your journey with us, or if you have experienced something in the platform. I saw some very positive comments from Nikos from Cyprus. Hello to Cyprus. that he had immediately an immediate response from the support help desk. The support has been great, Sasa says. So if you have made a trade already in Spectre, either on demo or with the bonus you received, please make a comment below. Okay, either if it's only one back profit, doesn't matter. If you saw how easy, and if you saw that how easy it is to make a trade in Spectre. Let me ask you something about Athol that many of, at least my users, were concerned. I received a couple messages about how Spectre works. Although I gave some information in my previous lives, I would love to hear the official answer from you. For example, we say that Spectre is a brokerless platform. So the main question I received is how Spectre is making money, number one. And number two, how can someone, a marketer, for example, like me, an affiliate marketer, can promote it, and what's in it for him?
Sure. Well, that's a very good question, Bill. So just to touch on what you said earlier in terms of the broker side risk as well, just to let everyone know, I mean, it's the fraud is a big problem. I don't know if you know, but the FBI in America, they estimate that there's about $10 billion stolen each year, which is reported globally just in binary options. So, it's a sort of really big problem. In terms of what Spectre is, well, in a nutshell, Spectre is the world's first brokerless trading platform, which is built on the Ethereum blockchain. And really what we're doing is we eliminating the broker from the equation. So we're basically introducing a totally new asset class into the industry. And it's basically called smart options, which is on the blockchain. And it's really easy to trade. Clients can come in, they can basically pick the time of the trade that they want to take the trade. And it's like binary options, but it's on the blockchain. And the key difference is in a normal trading environment, the clients that trade with, your likes of IQ Option or binary.com, they would be trading against a broker's balance sheet. And, often they or anyone doesn't know what the true size of that balance sheet is. And that's when the problems start happening. So when you start winning, you don't really know what the broker's got on their balance sheet. And more than often, the more you win, that's when you start encountering problems with the broker, where they delay withdrawals, they will cancel the account, or they'll start, manipulating the price feed. In Spectre, instead of trading against a broker's balance sheet, you're trading against a decentralized liquidity pool. And that liquidity pool is basically tokenized and it's owned by the token investors. So the actual inflow and the outflow of the money which goes in and out of the liquidity pool, that is governed by smart contracts. And the actual trades, when the client is trading, is also governed by smart contracts. And what that basically means is us as a company, we cannot interfere with the funds. The payments are instant from a trader's perspective. And it's virtually impossible for us to interfere or access that money. So, we are sort of pioneering this space. It's a world's first. And also, the other key advantage with this is, as a trader, instead of trading on a crypto exchange or, with your traditional FX brokers, with digital smart options on our platform, clients can be generating as much as 83 to 90% within 5 minutes. So it's really easy to trade. It's high profitable, and they can make money whether it's going up or down. In terms of the affiliate program, Bill, so obviously the way we make money, we don't make money when the client loses, like with your traditional broker. Spectre makes 2% on every trade, whether the client wins or loses. So, there's zero conflict of interest, and really we want clients to trade. We want to give them the tools to enhance their trading and to optimize their trading. That's our key objective, because at the end of the day, we're purely making money off the volume. So when it comes to the affiliate program, we basically pay at the moment, it's the highest commission structure that we've got within the online crypto and financial trading space. We took a long time to build this, to come up with this affiliate program and the pay structure. So basically, we pay affiliates 50% of the Spectre fee for all of the clients that they refer. And when you compare it to other programs out there, an affiliate should be making anywhere from 1.2 to about 3 times more than what they would with other brokers. So, for example, for an affiliate, let's say they've just got 200 active traders, and they're only doing $1,000 of volume per day. They can be making as much as $500,000 just as a base commission. And then on top of that, we've got volume bonuses and milestone bonuses, which can take the earnings way north of that. So at the end of the day, we're really looking to build long-term partnerships with our affiliates. And, obviously, that's what we're keen to do with yourself, Bill, and your entire community as well.
Excellent. So to translate a bit for people that don't know affiliate marketing, don't know either marketing or have never been in the commission industry, simply, guys, you get a portion of what? 50% actually, 50-50. Like, for example, a business partner of Spectre actually, in terms of numbers, for all the people that you refer and make a trade using Spectre. Simple as that. Okay. Personally, Athol, because started my internet marketing career back in 2013, I haven't seen, and I'm not saying that because you're here now and I want, for example, to sweeten the pill, as the expression is for you, but this is the truth. I have never seen a system so easy and so passive for an affiliate, for an internet marketer to make a side income simply by sharing his or her results and refer people to a platform that finally does exactly what it promises to the end user. Simple as that. Because most of you guys, especially at least in Balkans, in Southern Europe, when you hear, and this is my experience, when I hear cryptocurrency and a new company about cryptocurrency, always goes to MLM, to meetings, to hotels, friends and families, all that stuff that no one wants to do. It's not the situation here. You can easily put a Facebook ad or do a Facebook like I'm doing now with Athol and simply have tens of users starting the demo account. Since there is no membership included, there's no need for a membership or, for example, to buy something in advance to keep your sort of MLM status away from us. It's that simple. So thank you for that. And let's congratulate Christos. I don't know if you can see the comment. I've also pinned it.
I can't see the comment, Bo. Do I just click on comments to see it, or how do I see the comments?
Yeah. If you go to Facebook Live or in our room.
Okay. I see it.
Yeah, 3 days, 11 trades, 73% ITM in the money with 18% return of investment. And correct me, Christos, type below if I'm wrong. You're not an experienced trader, right? This is maybe your first attempt of doing in this industry, in trading in general. Let me know. Also, Sasa says 80 trades, 6 wins, 2 losses, completely novice. Okay, starting her experience in the platform in the demo account. Because I know Sasa, she's in the UK. Let me know your opinion on that, your info about that, Athol. What's happening for the UK? Because you may have noticed we got a lot of attraction from UK residents. What shall they expect from Spectre the next coming days and weeks?
Yeah, so we're going to definitely open up the UK. We're just waiting for to get an approval from a license at the moment, and we're anticipating to open it up within the next sort of 5 to 6 weeks is the time frame that we got at the moment from our legal and compliance team. So we're definitely going to service it. The other thing to mention, Bill, as well, I know there's been a lot of talk with the ESMA ban in Europe, and a lot of brokers are moving out. There's some traders, they don't know where to go. But just to reassure your community, we are definitely servicing Europe, and we plan to really go aggressively in Europe while the other brokers are moving out. Because again, we're on the blockchain, and we're not licensed in Europe, so therefore we plan to certainly grow market share and develop the market in Europe and obviously in other regions as well.
Excellent, excellent. And let me ask something, because I received also from one of my users. What about the affiliate side? UK residents cannot trade, only by demo, but on the affiliate side, can they participate in Spectre as affiliates?
Yeah, absolutely. So at the moment, there's nothing stopping them from getting on board as an affiliate. They can sign up, they can register, they can speak directly to myself as well. And it's very easy to, I mean, you know yourself, it's very easy to get signed up. Once they register online, they'll get immediate access to the affiliate portal. They'll have their link. There will be all of the necessary marketing landing pages which they can access, and they can pretty much start immediately. Just they cannot send us UK traffic up until we've obviously got that door open.
Okay, guys, so a bit patient, a couple of weeks, a few weeks, most likely late July. When you're good to go, you will receive a newsletter. We'll make a next Facebook Live. But in the meantime, for all of you that have put your email in the description link, there is a link, please click it. So you can receive some details on the affiliate side from me directly. I have personally a funnel in place if you want to send some traffic from other countries, for example, in Central or in Southern Europe. You are good to go, and I can share you a shared link so you can simply replicate my funnel in just 3 clicks, or you can send me a personal message about that. I would be happy to help you. So Christos says that was his second time trading. Okay, thank you so much, Christos, and please let me know your results by the end of this week. I will be happy to have you on a live as well to share your experience on the user side. Let's go some questions, Athol. We have about 3-5 minutes left, because I know it's over midnight now. It's Thursday for you.
Whatever it takes, no rush from our side. I'm quite okay.
That's a big question. Okay, from George. Good morning, Mr. Nurse and Bill. A simple question. I am already in Spectre and got the 100 USD free bonus. Congratulations, George. In your opinion, can a normal profit payout per month, let's say 1,000 USD, can be achieved with Spectre? That's the question number one.
First of all, I can't be giving any financial advice. So I just want to make that clear. But anything is possible on the platform, George. I mean, we've got clients which is making that in a shorter space of time, but understand it is high risk. And, I would stress, do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. But it's certainly possible to be achieving those numbers. Again, obviously you need to spend a lot of time and do whatever you need to do from an educational perspective. But I'm not giving financial advice. And at the end of the day, it certainly is possible.
But anyways, guys, of course, George, the results may vary with our platform. We have people make, for example, $5 per trade. We have people making some hundreds per trade. It's entirely up to the user. However, we have set all the fundamentals and some trainings coming, so you can educate yourself and become a more experienced trader. And for all of you that have signed up already in my subscriber list, again, the link is in the description. Let me put a call to action so you can watch it. This is the link. Let me show you. Okay, it's now rolling like on the CNN news, So make sure you subscribe, because on Friday, and at, let me see, 5 BST, 5 p.m. London, Greece, Cyprus, Bulgaria, Russia, that's 7 p.m. for us, guys. We'll have for 60 minutes, for 1 whole hour, another representative from the Spectre team, but that will not be published on Facebook. It's a closed webinar training room entirely for the people that have opened at least a demo account. So make sure you have opened your demo account, make sure you have done the KYC, so you can take all this information that we give you and put it in works. Again, Friday at 5 p.m. BST, you'll receive a newsletter to sign up for this special webinar. Tomorrow, my morning, I will send the newsletter. And let's answer a question from Nikos. Nikos says, is the $100 bonus still valid? I have some information already, but would you like to answer that, Athol?
Yeah, absolutely. So it is valid at the moment. We have got a limited amount which is available. And I think when last we checked, well, it was around about the 25 or 30 mark in terms of the amount of open positions that we've got for the $100 promo.
Okay, guys, thank you so much, Athol. And for you guys that have already put your email and received the sign-up links for Spectre and have opened the demo, I've received some notice about that from the Spectre team, entirely for you and you only that watching this live right now. If you click on the link, or if you have already opened your demo account, but done the KYC, very important, have done your KYC process, you'll receive the promo within 24 hours, most likely. If your documentation is in Latin characters, allow 1 business day, but it will be for the next 30 people only, not a couple hundreds, just for the first 30 people, 30, that will do the KYC, and within 24 hours, guys. So you need to complete this process by tomorrow, Thursday, about this hour, 6 p.m. Athens time, or whatever. Okay, where are you located? Check your time zone. 24 hours, so make sure you have done this process so you can participate in the Friday's training. And another question from our UK member, Sasa. Sasa says, does the same timescale for license approval apply to dual nationals who are also not able to complete the KYC at the moment, born in the UK but live in Australia, Spain, or other country? Meaning for people that have 2 passports, their UK passport, but living, for example, in another country.
It depends where the proof of residence is. I need to double check that with my support, but I believe if you are based in another country, that should be okay, because at the end of the day, it is where you can provide a proof of residence. But I would need to double check that with support, and I can come back to yourself on that, Bill, so that you can let Sasha know.
Okay, excellent. Okay, guys, we have about a minute left, so if there are any questions you want to ask directly Athol or me, now it's the time. Okay, Athol, give me some seconds to scroll down to see if we haven't answered something. The support is great. Some greetings. I believe we are okay. Rob asks, who holds our money when we deposit to trade?
So basically, when you deposit, so we've got 2 accounts. One is a regular account and one is a wallet account. The wallet account is 100% decentralized. So, in that scenario, you would be trading directly from your Ethereum digital wallet. So we don't access that. We don't hold it. You've got 100% control of it. And the other option, in a regular account, you deposit your Ethereum into a smart contract with Spectre. So whilst the smart contract is with Spectre, it's actually, again, governed by smart contracts, which means we cannot access it. And that's basically, how the flow of money works in the 2 accounts.
Excellent. Yes, exactly as we knew. Okay, Sasa she's very busy on making comments. Let us help her. Sasa asks, cannot do the KYC, so have told them to send documents to support. Okay, yeah, guys, if you have any questions about the documentation, make sure you send them an email to the support. If something is wrong, they will help you. And the last question from Ion from Greece. Is there a way to watch the statistics of the platform? How many active accounts are in platform? How many trades happen to the percentage of the winning losing rate? What about that?
No. There's no data in the platform where you can see that. I mean, us as a company, every quarter we do a quarterly investors meeting, and that's when we'll update the community in terms of what the performance was for the last quarter in terms of active traders, volume, etc. But it's not something that is visible and that we plan to make visible on the platform.
Okay, so you got your question answered, Ion. Christos asks, in plain terms, how do we make a deposit? Okay, this is a very technical question, Christos, that's already covered in the tutorial. Make sure that you have opened your account and you have received the tutorial we have. I've made with Kevin Kokoana a short 3-video tutorial, how to open your wallet if you haven't been in crypto yet, how to make a deposit. For example, I use uphold.com. And correct me if I'm wrong, Athol, there is some sort of communication with Uphold.
Correct.
Sorry.
Correct.
Yeah.
So we're going to sometime next month. We're going to be introducing a system where clients will be able to come in and simply deposit via credit card by using Uphold, basically. So we're in the process of integrating with them, and it will really make the deposit process very seamless for those that are just not used to crypto.
Excellent, excellent. So guys, we're at 30 minutes, 31 to be precise. Thank you all for being here today. Thank you so much, Athol, for spending 30 minutes of your midnight with us. We really appreciate that, and all the European community to have you here live. And hopefully in our next meeting, well, we have some user experience comments. I will be happy to share these comments with you live, because I know that you're working very hard to bring a platform very user-friendly. It is already, but I know that you appreciate much the user comments and how to improve your platform. So again,
absolutely, and thanks for having me, Bill. And yeah, I mean, any feedback, we welcome it, and you know, especially good, bad, or whatever, because at the end of the day, we want to make sure we continually optimize and improve the service that we can provide to clients at large. So again, thanks for having me on, Bill, and look forward to doing plenty more in the future, my friend.
It was an honor. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your night, and good evening to the rest of our viewers. Take care, guys. See you on Friday.
Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.